Turn off sounds effects. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off sounds effects easy and quick. Go to your Twitter, click on your profile, settings and privacy, and here you will find security and account access. You will find here accessibility. Click on display and you will find sound effects. So here you can tap on it and turn it off just like this. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to like the video, and see you on the next video.